Number 2, taken from the GCSE 9-1 past paper 3H, June 2017. We have a simultaneous equation system of two equations. We need to solve it. If we look at the first equation and name it 1, and the second equation and name it 3, we have both x in the first and in the second, they have the same coefficient, which will make our work easier. So if we use the method of elimination, we can eliminate x and we can solve for y. In order to eliminate x, we need to multiply by minus either the first or the second equation, -1, in order for us to have opposite coefficients for x. So I chose the first equation and I multiplied it by -1. You will get minus 3x minus y plus 4. And then you add both equations. When you add both equations, you're going to eliminate x and you're left with y for you to solve. Now you have -1 minus 4 minus 5y is equal to 4 plus 6, 10. Now you divide by 5 both sides. You are going to get y equals, by -5, you're going to get y equals -2. Now you take y and you substitute it in either the first or the second equation, and then you try to choose the easy one to calculate. And I chose the first one, so 3x minus 2 equals -4. You replace, take the -2 to the other side. It's going to be 3x equals -4 plus 2, which is equal to -2. Then x is equal to -2 over 3. Therefore, let us write the answers where we should. So x is -2 over 3 and y is -2. In order for us to interpret this solution, x represents the x coordinate of the point of intersection, and y is the y coordinate of the point of intersection. Assume that its name is A. So these two equations represent lines that intersect at point A, whose coordinates are -2 over 3 and 2.